I think I have probably done the best Kmart haul of all time. I don't think you guys are ready. I'm not even ready myself, so let's just get into this video. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, hi, hello. My name is Amanda and it's nice to meet you. Now for today's video, we are doing another Kmart haul. Now listen, you guys honestly went off in my last Kmart haul video, so thank you guys so much for that. I will link that video down below for you guys, but I thought let's do another edition of this, guys, but holiday, because I am seeing Christmas trees, I am seeing balls, I am seeing presents, and it's honestly just making me so excited. So I thought let's just get into it today, because your girl once again went in. I have not one, not two, but I also did some online damage as well, guys. I honestly don't think you're ready, so grab a drink, grab your popcorn, grab some chippies, and let's just get into this video. As always, guys, we are going to be going into categories with everything, so I'm going to go in kitchen, home, and beauty. So first things first, we're going to go in with kitchen. Now I do have my handy dandy little receipt here, so I'll be listing all the prices just above me here as well. But first things first, this is the massive bag that I have, and the first item I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this sushi making kit. I know, I had to get this as soon as I saw it. I think this is the cutest thing ever, and I also think this would make such a great gift for Christmas as well. This was only $10, and what I love about this is that it comes with the sushi maker itself as well as a bamboo mat. It also lists all the instructions on the back here as well. I think this is going to be a great way to just kind of play around and have fun in the kitchen, and I've never actually made my own sushi, so I thought this could be a really cute kind of like date idea as well. So yeah, that's exactly why I picked this up. So if you guys are looking for some gift ideas, or you're wanting to make your own sushi, definitely check out Kmart, because this one I think is going to be really cool. Next item I have to share with you guys is this gorgeous ensemble here. So these are the 6 linear highball glasses. I have been honestly on the hunt for these kind of glasses for the longest time, and I'm so happy that I found them at Kmart. This was only $14 for the whole box of 6, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here as well. I just think these are so aesthetic, and I think it's going to be absolutely perfect for coffees, juices, your matcha lattes. I just love the look of these, and yeah, I think this is going to fit my home aesthetic absolutely perfectly, and yeah, we love her. Next item I have is this lemon squeezer here. I know what you're thinking. This is so random, but as soon as I saw it, I really wanted to get it because I actually don't have my own lemon squeezer, 1, and 2. I've been seeing this specific squeezer all over TikTok, and I just love it. I don't know why. It's just so amazing to me. So I really wanted to pick one of these up. You can't go wrong, and yeah, that's exactly why I picked it up. The next item is for all of my girls that are on the go, and listen, I got you with this one. It's a portable USB blender. I didn't even know Kmart even made these. I think this is genius, honestly. So if you are on the go and you don't have time to make your own shake or smoothie, you have a portable one right here that you can do literally anywhere at any time. I love this. This was only $29. And I think this is another perfect gift idea as well for the holidays. Now I'll read you guys a bit on the back here as well. So it's 300 milliliters. It's a detachable design for easy cleaning, lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for shakes and smoothies. It's got 3 hours of charging time as well, and it also has a rechargeable battery with a USB cord. I mean, this is just perfect. I don't really have too much to say about it, and I cannot wait to use it myself. But yeah, as soon as I saw it, I had to pick it up, and I think you guys will really love this too. Now onto the last kitchen item of this video, and you know I had to get something Christmassy, and of course I had to pick up this gorgeous Christmas suit apron. I mean, this just speaks for itself, honestly. I think this is so adorable. This was only $6, and this is what it's meant to look like on when you have it. I just think it's perfect. We are actually hosting a Christmas party here with all of our friends next week, so as soon as I saw this, I had to pick it up for that. I actually don't even own my own apron, so why not start off with a Christmas one? So yeah, I love this. It feels really, really nice as well. So if you guys are on the hunt for a festive apron, definitely check this out because honestly, this is probably my favorite thing ever. This one is a little bit random for me, but I really wanted to pick one of these up. So this is a mortar and pestle. I love these. I think these are so aesthetic. This was only $14. And the main reason I wanted to get this was to actually display in my kitchen. I know that sounds crazy, but I just love the look of this. So this is the bowl that you get here along with the pestle itself. I think this is so aesthetic and I can totally see myself crushing garlic or just spices and herbs in here. This is just meant to release the flavors and yeah, it's just a like old school way of doing it, and I just think this is really, really cool, and I think you guys will really like it too. It's very heavy, very luxurious as well, and for only $14, why not? I think this is honestly gonna look super pretty in my kitchen. So yeah, now that we have finished with the kitchen side, we're gonna go into home now, and the first item that I have to share with you guys is this gorgeous glazed dish here. I love the design of this. I love the shape. It's definitely very unique and different to anything that I've seen before. This was only $6, and the idea that I have for this is to put all my keys in here just to make it a little bit more tidy and more presentable. Of course, you don't have to put your keys. You can put your jewelry or rings or literally anything, in my opinion. I just think this is honestly beautiful and just a really nice piece to display in your home. So yeah, Kmart had a lot of these kind of little glazed dishes here, but as soon as I saw this one, I had to pick it up. So I'll show you guys a little close-up of it here. It's literally just stunning and really minimal, and it definitely fits my home aesthetic perfectly too. So yeah, I'm so happy that I picked this up. Next item that I have to share with you guys is another little random item, and it's this really cute little baby cactus. I love this. I think this is the cutest thing that I have ever picked up, honestly. I'll show you guys what it looks like here, but it's just a gorgeous little baby cactus. Now, it is advertised as a pen cup, so I did find this in the stationery section, but I won't be using it as a pen holder. I'm actually just going to display it as normal in my home because I just love this. I think it's really going to fit my home aesthetic perfectly, and for $5, why not? They had so many different ones there, but the cactus just took my heart, honestly, and I'm so happy that I picked it up. So yeah, I am obsessed with this. Would it be an Amanda haul if I didn't showcase at least a couple of candles? And that's exactly what I've done. So let's go in with the first one. I have the letter A fragrant candle. This was only $7, and the scent I have here is champagne rose. Now, they did have every letter of the alphabet as a candle, so you can honestly pick up whichever one you like. But I just love the packaging of this. It's definitely very minimal and aesthetic. It's just this really shiny kind of cream holographic packaging with the gold embossed letter in the front as well as the top. Now, the smell of this is just so unique to me. So it says champagne rose here, so you definitely get that rose smell, but I don't know, there's just something about it that just, I don't know, it's very elegant. It's very kind of sexy and a bit musky as well. A lot more of a mature scent, I would say. But I think this is beautiful, and I cannot wait to burn this. It's aesthetic. It smells good. It looks good. So yeah, I'm very, very happy that I picked this up, and I think you guys will really love this too. Last but not least, you guys know I had to get another festive item, and it's this gorgeous Santa head candle. Now, listen. This one is probably my favorite candle that I've picked up from Kmart, and I'm not even being biased because the smell of this, guys, I wish you could smell it through the screen. So this is the gingerbread scent. Now, it says here that it's got butter, lemon, caramel, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, milk, cream, and maple. This honestly is just, oh, it just smells so good, guys. Like, just picture a fresh, warm tray straight from the oven full of gingerbread. This is just Christmas in a candle. Like, I don't care what anyone says. It's Christmas in a candle, and it's just amazing. If you're going to get anything from Kmart, please, please, please get this candle because it's incredible. Now, they did have a whole bunch of different Christmas candles there, but this one, Santa just took the cake. I'm gonna say it. So yeah, I love this, and I think you guys are really gonna love this too. So Love it. Okay guys, onto the beauty section now of this video. There's only 2 items that I have to share, so we're very close to the end. But first things first, I have this baby. So this is the Anko facial steamer. Now, I am shocked that Kmart even have these. I feel like they're just stepping up their game every single time I walk in there, and as soon as I saw this, I really wanted to pick it up because not only is it another great gift idea, but I just love this. Like, I usually go out and get facials, so why not do my own kind of facial steam at home? Now, this one says that it helps improve skin tone by adding moisture. It has up to 10-minute runtime, opens pores to allow for deep penetration, and it also, it's a 50 milliliter water tank capacity as well. So I think this is just really handy to have. Now for me personally, I love going out and getting facials, but why not try your own at home? I think this is gonna be really, really cool to try out. So I'll let you guys know what I think. But yeah, again, I think this is just a really cool idea, and for 35 bucks, why not? So yeah, if you guys try this out, definitely let me know what you think. But yeah, I love, love, love this. Last but not least of the beauty items, I have the Apple Extract Overnight Lip Mask. Now guys, this popped off on social media, especially on TikTok. This was sold out for the longest time and I could not get my hands on it, but I was very lucky to find it online. Apparently, this is meant to be a dupe for the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and it's only $3. So very affordable for sure. Now, I had to honestly just pick it up and see it for myself. Now, packaging wise, definitely very similar to the Laneige one, I will say. So I did pick up the apple extract flavor here. They did have a whole bunch of different scents as well, which were all sold out, of course, but I was lucky to get my hands on the apple one. Now, let's give her a whiff. I feel like this is going to smell really good. So, oh, I knew it. This literally smells like candy apple. If you guys love that scent, you will love this. Should we try it out on our lips? Yeah, screw it. Let's just do it. I love the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I actually use it every single night. But let's see if this one is worth the hype. Now, this is what the lip mask looks like on the lips. Now, it feels really, really nice. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. It definitely feels very similar to the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now, guys, for $3, I think this is amazing. I'm very excited to try out all of the other scents as well, but this one just feels really, really good. Like, that's the only thing that I can say about it. I'll be very intrigued to see how this makes my lips feel throughout the day, but so far, I think this is a really great product, and I'm really happy that Kmart is stocking these because for $3, you can't really go wrong. And there you have it, guys. That is the end of today's Kmart haul video. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. Definitely let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite, or which item you want to try next, or what items you want me to try in the future from Kmart, because I really love making these videos and I really hope that you guys love them as much as I do. But yeah, if you did like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button down below as well. That would help me out so much. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.